It's definitely not something we should be worried about. Now I'm gonna fire it up. The way it fires up, man. I can feel the body vibrating. We did cut out some of the crossmember to accommodate the new engine. It's definitely not something we should be worried about. Okay, here we go. Well, we are moving. We're rolling. Here we go. The car is moving. First gear. Second. It's definitely down on power. I'm pressing the gas pretty hard. And, well, the car is only moving. The engine does not feel even remotely strong. This thing does not rip. Okay, now at low revs, it does have trouble getting the car to move. But then in the mid-range, it does get the car to move. We start making some actual progress. Whoa, what's happening? Why is it sneezing? That means if something goes wrong, I'm walking, and something is bound to go wrong, and I've stalled it. But a push start fired it right back up, like with zero trouble.